Let's talk about something serious. Text harassment. You might think sending those angry messages is harmless, but here's what you need to know. Yes, you absolutely can get in legal trouble for harassing someone through text messages. Think about it. Those messages leave a permanent digital footprint. Every threatening text, every manipulative message, every unwanted picture, they're all evidence that can be used against you in court. Unlike verbal harassment, text harassment creates a clear paper trail that's hard to deny. The laws around text harassment have evolved with technology. Most states now have specific cyberstalking and cyber harassment laws. You could face misdemeanor or even felony charges depending on the severity of your actions. We're talking about potential fines, restraining orders, and in serious cases, even jail time. But what exactly counts as text harassment? It's not just about sending explicit threats. Repeatedly messaging someone who's asked you to stop, sending excessive messages at odd hours, using multiple phone numbers to contact someone who's blocked you, or sending messages intended to emotionally manipulate or intimidate. These all can constitute harassment. Here's a real-world example. In 2019, a person was sentenced to 3 years in prison for sending hundreds of harassing texts to their ex-partner. The messages weren't necessarily violent, but the constant barrage of unwanted communication was deemed harassment. The impact of text harassment goes beyond legal consequences. It can cause serious emotional distress to victims, leading to anxiety, depression, and fear. Many victims have to change their phone numbers, modify their daily routines, and seek therapeutic help. If you're on the receiving end of text harassment, document everything. Don't delete the messages, even if they're upsetting. Take screenshots, note dates and times, and report it to law enforcement if you feel threatened. Most phone carriers also offer tools to block harassing numbers. Remember, that moment of anger isn't worth the potential consequences. Before you send that heated text, ask yourself, could this be considered harassment? Could this come back to haunt me legally? Is this really how I want to handle this situation? Bottom line, text harassment isn't just morally wrong, it's legally punishable. In our digital age, the law takes these violations seriously, and the consequences can impact your life for years to come. Stay smart, stay respectful, and when in doubt, put the phone down.